Hello, my name is İhsan Ulusalaşlı. Today I'm going to demonstrate my homework tree. I want to demonstrate the first task now. Let me start with, we have three variables here. This is variable for text, this is variable for checkbox, and this is variable for drop down. Then let me continue. We have text form field here. It will take input text from the user. Then we have checkbox here. It's controlled by checkbox value. Clicking it updates its states using set state. Then we have drop down button here. It will allow users to select between yes or no. This is controlled by drop down value. And on change it will set state to. Then we have send button here, an elevated button. When it clicked, it shows the current values in a snack bar. This was task 1. Let me continue with task 2. Okay, let me demonstrate the task 2. In task 2, we added a form key. What does this form key do? It's for validation. In here we have onSend method, which called when send is pressed. Here we have a validation function call. If validation function validates here, then we update the state and then we show user a result text, which consists of text here, checkbox value here, and drop down value here. And where is this validation function? How does it work? Here we have a validator. If value is null or empty, it will return the string you cannot leave this blank. If the value length is less than 3, it will return the string of enter at least 3 letters. If these conditions doesn't exist, it will return null, which means that input is valid. Now, when input is valid, it will have a result text, and where the user sees this result text. In here, in a size box, user will be able to see the result text. And let me show you how does it work in app. We have a blank text area here. Let me say send. It says that you cannot leave this blank. Okay, let me try one letter. It says that enter at least 3 letters. Okay, then I'm gonna enter 3 letters. You can see that it will get the text here and the values of checkbox and drop down here. If I change this to true, it will update it to true. If I change this to true, it will update it to true also. So this was task 2. Let me show you the local history now. Now for local history, let me start with deleting the comments here. I will delete the comments, and then I think this is the same. Then I will add the title. Then I added the variables here, but build remains the same. Then I will add the text form field, checkbox, and drop down here, and the send button, of course. here. Then later on I did a little bit mistakes, like put them on a row, so I do a little bit editing here. uh, yes, in here they are still in a row. Maybe in here I fixed that. Yeah, in here I fixed that. Now I think the task 2 is done here. Let me continue. This is still the task 2. I think this is still the task 2 too. Yes. Now in here I added things for validation, like form key, and then a validation function on here when the send is pressed. I did this a little bit wrong, so I will edit them later on. Here I added the validator form key, and for displayation of result I have a size box here which displays the text. And now I'm going to edit a little bit to make it look better. This is like still the same, but I changed some little stuff. I tried some things here, but it was not the result I wanted. Like here they were on a row. I want to put them on top of, put the text on top and the others to bottom. Of course it's so easy, but I was a little bit confused, so in the end I fixed it. This is like the same still. I fixed it, and that was my local story. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.